Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple engine case design in SolidWorks. So it is good example for the beginners. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. To create this simple engine case in SolidWorks, so better to choose top plane. Here we go to the file and select new. Here select part, then OK, and change the background to plain white. Here we select the top plane, right click, sketch, and here we select, go to the rectangle and here select center rectangle, and from this origin point make the one center rectangle up to here. Now exit the sketch, go to the smart dimension. This length will be 139.70, so make it, and this length will be 101.60, then OK. Here we apply the fillet of 12.7 radius, so go to the fillet and now make the fillet of 12.07 radius. And if you want to make the fillet all, so simply select and drag this one, so it will be selected all the corners, then OK. Here we make the circle, so go to the circle and here we select, and from this origin point make the one circle up to here, and go to the smart dimension. This circle diameter will be 10.08, then OK. And here we select the center line and make the one center line up to here, and again select and make the center line up to this. Now it is used for mirror feature, so go to the mirror command and here we select the circle, so simply select this circle, and here it will ask mirror about, so click and select this center line, so it comes here, and make it mirror, then OK. Now again select mirror command, select both circle and mirror about this construction line, then OK. And here we make this sketch extrude up to 19.05, so go to the features, select extrude boss base and make it 19.05 mm, then OK. Again select this face, right click, sketch, then normal. Here we select the circle, so it's better to select the circle, and here we make the circle, so select circle and make two circle from this origin point, so first one and second. Again go to the smart dimension and make it 9:2. Again go to the smart dimension and this circle diameter will be 69.85, then OK. And here we select the center line and make the center line from this origin, and make the line up to this circle point, so go to the smart dimension, the angle between this both line, it will be 45 degree, Here go to the circle and make the circle from this point. So make it, go to the smart dimension. The circle length will be, diameter will be 19.05. Then OK, and here we make the trim. So go to the trim command and simply select drag this one, then OK. Here we apply the fillet of 12.7 radius, so make it 12.7 and select this one and this corner, then OK. Here we make the mirror features command. So select the mirror and here we select this and mirror about this center line. Again go to the mirror command, select this one, select separately all this and mirror about this center line. Now trim this extra portion. Now exit the sketch and here we make the extrude. So go to the feature and select the extrude boss base and extrude up to 107.95 mm. So make it 107.95 mm. and make the condition merge. So OK. Again we make the plane from this face. So go to the reference geometry so first of all make the extrude cut on this face. So select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and here we make the construction line horizontal and vertical. So make it up to here. Again select this point and make this, then OK. Go to the circle and we find out this point. So simply make the cursor here and center point will be seen, and make the circle from this point. Go to the smart dimension. The diameter will be 6.91. Go to the mirror command, select this circle and mirror about this center line. Again go to the mirror, select both circle and just mirror this one to this center line, and here we make the extrude cut this circular profile. So go to the features, select extrude cut and make the extrude cut up to 21.18. Then OK, and here we make the plane. So go to the reference geometry, now select plane and we make the plane from this face. So it will ask first reference. So here select the face and make the plane of the gap will be 3.175 mm and make it reverse direction because it will be offside, so make it reverse. Then OK. Again select this plane, right click sketch, then normal, and here we select the circle, and from this origin point make the one circle up to go to the smart dimension, the circle length will be 139.70. Again select the circle and make the circle from this origin point up to this circle. Now again make the extrude to this, so go to the feature, select extrude boss base and extrude up to this one 3.175 mm and make it reverse direction and make the condition merge result, then OK. Here we make the linear pattern for this, so go to the linear pattern. Here it will ask the direction, so simply select any line, and here we select the feature and faces, so select this, and the number of instances will be 9 and the gap will be 9.525, so make it 9.525, then OK. Here we make the extrude cut to this sketch, so select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and here we make the center line from this origin point, then OK, and again select the line and make the line up to, select the line and make the line up to here. Now do one thing, make this convert entity, so go to the convert entity. Now here select this arc, this one, then OK. Here we select this line, press with shift key and select this circular profile and make the condition, make it tangent, then OK. And here we apply the mirror, so select mirror and select this line, mirror about this center line, then OK. Here again select the circle and from this origin point make the circle up to this one. Now go to the trim command and trim the extra portion. Then OK, and here we make the extrude cut up to this face, so go to the features and select extrude cut and make the extrude cut up to, make the condition up to surface. Now select this surface, then OK. Now here we better to apply the material on this, so go to the appearance, select the metal zinc and here we select polish zinc, simply select drag and apply to this body. Here we make the mirror to this cutout, so go to the mirror command it will ask the face so and plane. So select the front plane, and here we select the features. So select extrude cut, now we cut this extra portion here. Now again go to the front plane, right click, sketch, then normal. Here we select the center rectangle and make the center rectangle from up to this one. Go to the smart dimension, this length will be 44.45, and this length also be here we apply the fillet to all the corner of 6.35 radius. Select the first, second, third and this last one, then OK. And from this origin point, so go to the smart dimension, select this origin point and select the center of rectangle, and this gap will be 81.92, then OK. And here we make the extrude 54.61 from the mid plane. So go to the features, select extrude boss base and extrude up to 54.61. Again select the direction 2 and it also make 61, then OK. Now again select the front plane, here we select the center line, and from this origin point make the one center line up to this one, and again select the line and make the line up to this one. Go to a smart dimension and this so it will be 15.88, and go to the mirror, select this line and mirror about this center line. Again select the line Here we select this point and make the line up to this point. Again select line and make the line up to from this point to this one. Go to the features, select extrude boss base and extrude up to again go to the direction tool and make to up to surface and select this surface, then OK. Now again select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and here we make the circle. So select the circle and make the circle up to this point. Go to the smart dimension. The diameter will be 25.65. Make the extrude cut through all. So go to the feature. Make the extrude cut this one 3.175. Again select this face, right click, sketch, then normal. Here select the circle and make the circle up to from this one. Go to the smart dimension. The diameter will be 25.65 and here we make the extrude cut. So go to the feature, select extrude cut and make the extrude cut 3.175. Again select this face, right click, sketch, then normal. Here we select the circle and from this center point make the one circle up to here and the diameter will be 19.05. So go to the smart dimension and make it 19.05 diameter and make the extrude cut through all. So go to the features, select extrude cut and make the condition through all, then OK. Now again select this face, right click, sketch, then normal. Here we select the circle and make the circle up to this one. Go to the feature, select extrude cut and make it through all. Now again we design this engine case design and we apply the fillet to this edge. So go to the fillet and here we make the fillet of 2 mm. Select this edge again go to the fillet and make the fillet. Select this one, again select this one Now here we apply the fillet to all this edge, and again here we make the circular cutout. So select this face, right click, sketch, then normal. Here we select center line and make the center line from this origin and make up to here. Select the circle and here we select this one. Go to the smart dimension. The diameter will be 5.41. Select center line and make the center line from this up to. So go to the mirror command, select this circular and mirror about this center line. Select both circle and mirror about this center line, and here we make the extrude cut. So go to the features, select extrude cut and make the extrude cut this one 15.41 mm. Then OK. Here we make the mirror to this extrude cut. So go to the mirror command. Here we select the plane. So simply select front plane and here we select the extrude cut, then OK. Now we design this simple engine case in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.